Hello everybody, I am continuing to work on the 1969 Mustang, and today I'm going to be removing the coating of rust converter I put on the top, and I'm going to be wire brushing the sort of crusty, rusty spots. Once I remove the coating, then I will probably put either a clear coat or some type of paint on it to keep it from rusting further. So I'm going to work on that, and I'm just going to set the camera down, and we'll see how that goes. This is the third episode of the 1969 Ford Mustang project car or build series. In this episode, I am going to drive the car outside and spray paint it just to keep it from rusting. I'm going outside so there's more fresh air, essentially, for me to breathe. Also, I'm going to show you guys how many holes there are on the top, because this was a vinyl top car. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how the floor looks. It's got lots of holes in it, and I will be removing the rest of the carpet from the front of the car so I can see how the front floor pans are. And also I'm going to be removing the rear window from the car, as I don't need to explain that, that's just what I'm doing. So yeah. Rust converter wipe down off the top. Now I'm going to paint it just to keep it from rusting. By no means a final coat or a good coat at all. It's just to stop it from rusting. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Coating of just paint on the roof. It's not for painting purpose, it's just to keep it from rusting. I don't want any bare metal exposed, so it's just terrible, awful paint job. I'm not trying to have it be the finished product, I'm just trying to keep it from rusting. But I just want to kind of show you guys around the car a little bit here so you can see it out in the daylight. You can see the interior, that floor panel right there, and take a look at the roof. You can see the sunlight through the little holes, but we're working on it, so I'm gonna keep going here. Okay, so I thought I might take you guys on a little ride along as we drive back over to the garage. So here we go. Show you guys the floor. It's pretty entertaining. Alright, so I'm going to pull some more carpet out of this thing right now. It's just the front piece left. I don't plan on reusing this carpet, so I'm going to cut around the shifter here, and I'll get that piece out when I swap over to a manual transmission. But this carpet is very easy to cut, very old. I was going to say threadbare. It's got lots of thread, it's just not very strong. There we go. Oh, that's nasty. Some sound deadening material. I'm not gonna reuse that. It's too old. I'll get new stuff. It's almost metal. All in all, I don't see too many holes in this metal, so that is good. Finally, something that's not rusted completely through. Let's check on this side. These are all speaker wires. I'll cut those off. They're junk. And this side's a bit more rusty. Yeah, I do see some holes on this side, so that sucks. But I'm replacing everything else anyways, so what's another floor pan? I'm gonna cut these doohickeys out. They're holding up like an insulation on the roof. Now, if I want to do that, I'll just get new ones. Okay, and we have that. I got a few more interior pieces to remove, but nothing all that entertaining or interesting. Like I still got to remove these and these trim pieces here, and then rip the rest of the headliner out. There's like little pieces of it left, and then vacuum everything out. Rear window without breaking it. It's not glued in like a normal window would be. It's just held in with a rubber seal, and the putty around the edges, I believe, is what holds it in. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, so I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to cut the seal off so it can just pop right out. And that's how you do that. on. Okay, now I'm just gonna remove the seal. I'm gonna break the seal.
Seal. Looks like it's good.
Yeah. Now I can actually see how bad the rust is around the rear window. And from what I can see, this lower lip looks kind of bad-ish. Well, nothing, not as bad as I expected, actually. I don't see any actual holes at this point. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off now. What do you want to say?
Looking good.
Okay. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. As always, subscribe if you want to. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.